Hello there. Many of you have probably got an existing strategy that you want to use AI to enhance or add additional features. This is where Xen AI can assist you for NinjaTrader. To do this, I'll give you a quick demonstration how you can do it with Xen AI. Firstly, you select the task on the left-hand side, which is existing strategy. Now, from the existing strategy, you have two methods of loading in a project. One is a previous project that you created previously using Xen. You click on here and you can select any one of these projects and it will load it into Xen. You can continue working on it from here. Another one is if you've got your existing project in an external file. Now, what I'm going to do is give you this demonstration. You can select your model on the right hand side to show you which one you want to use. I'm going to stick with Luna. So I'm now going to do existing strategy and I'm going to add the source code. So if you've got the code externally and you want to load it into Xen, this is how you do it. You click on add source code. From here, you can do your current code base, which is your strategy that you're currently working on. You can choose merge functionality into existing source, which is something you're not going to do straight away. I'll show you how to do that later. And one's used as reference only. So I'm going to load a CS file in. This is a strategy that was created previously, EMA trend strategy. I'm just going to open that. It's loaded into there. And I'm going to add the source into Xen. Now, once it's loaded in, you have a few options. One is to then describe what you want changed. So in this case, you could ask for a trailing stop loss or any other feature you want to add. Another one, you can review the strategy. So if I click on review strategy, that'll go ahead now and the Xen will actually analyze your code and give you a report based on your strategy code. Okay, that's come back. If I scroll to the top, you can see that it's giving you a big report. It says source code reviewed, only one source file was supplied, current behavior, and it gives you all the details about the current behavior, how it works, what defects and risks, protection methods are called from the wrong lifecycle state. So in this case, there's some problems with the code. No validation that fast EMA is actually faster, insufficient explicit warm-up protection. So it actually analyzes your code and tells you what's wrong with it and how to improve it. And what you can do then, once you've reviewed it, you can actually go and talk to Xen and tell it what other features you want to do, or you could use the report from here to fix it. But if you don't want to do that and you just want to add features and you want to continue working, you can just add a requirement here. Like I could say add trailing stop, which is always an easy one to do. So I click send. That's going to go ahead now and add a trailing stop loss to our existing project. So we've loaded in our project into Xen and we're now adding an additional feature. Okay, the additional feature has been added. We've added a trailing stop loss, and then you can go ahead and check the build to make sure there's no errors in the code. So it does a build check for you. At the same time, you can go to projects and you can look at the existing project we just created, and you can open the project from there. We can go to snapshots, history, and this will show you the two versions we've just created, the original one and the one with the snapshot. So you can roll back to previous versions and work on previous versions. Okay, it's built, there's no errors in the code. You can also continue working on it by adding another file. You can delete the one that's attached by clicking on there. So I want to add a source file. So if you wanted to, for example, you wanted to merge some other functionality, some other code block into the existing code block, you choose merge functionality into current source. If you want only use as an example, this is a case if you've got a block of code and a formula that you want that to be applied to your project, you can just paste in your code here or upload the file, and that will get reviewed by the AI model and actually attached to existing project. So it's very useful for working on existing projects this way. And that's about it, I think. So that's the only thing I wanted to show you today. If you did want to download your add-on and install it straight into NinjaTrader, just click download add-on here, and then it will download it as a zip file. And you just go to NinjaTrader, you just say import add-on, click on the file there, and install it straight into NinjaTrader. Okay, that's it. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. Thanks very much.